Her Voice Wales are a group of young girls from across the Vale of Glamorgan. It's open access for anyone aged 11 to 18 years old, and the purpose of Her Voice Wales is to provide a platform for young women to feel safe.
It's so important because there's so many ways in that girls struggle just because of their gender.
Working with Her Voice Wales has been really helpful for us to get a new perspective as well on what young women are thinking.
I think partnerships are really important to Her Voice Wales because it allowed us to expand so much more, but it also showed how many people cared.
The benefits of working with Her Voice Wales is that you hear from their perspectives, you hear what's current, how they feel about things now, and that really influences how we deliver our services.
You know, young people are great, they've got a fantastic voice to be listened to, but they really need adults to champion for them as well, and that's where this sort of project really has thrived so much. It's through those links that we've been able to provide for the young people to have their voices heard.
A great next step would be to see the pilot of safe spaces be successful and be implemented across the Vale.
I think it would be brilliant if the project could influence other authorities and other groups of young women across local authorities and Wales.